Today, we're diving into the city of Miami to experience a day like no other, guided by the inside scoop of the locals. Whether you're a foodie, an adventurer, or just looking to soak up the Miami vibe, we've got the perfect day set up for you. Miami mornings are nothing short of magical. And what better way to start your day than indulging in the city's vibrant breakfast scene? Here's where the locals love to kick off their day. La Carreta Restaurant. A cornerstone of Miami's Cuban community, La Carreta is not just a restaurant, it's an experience. On weekends, the place buzzes with families and friends gathering to enjoy the breakfast buffet only at International Mall, an array of authentic Cuban favorites that comfort the soul and delight the palate. Imagine starting your day with the rich aromas of freshly brewed Cuban coffee, pastelitos oozing with guava and cheese, and savory platters of eggs, ham, and tropical fruits. The warm, inviting atmosphere, coupled with the cheerful chatter in Spanish, immerses you in the local culture, making you feel like part of the Miami family. Step into El Caribe, a cozy spot that's like a hidden gem among the locals. Here, breakfast transforms into an art form, with their French toast bread stealing the show. Picture thick slices of bread soaked in a fragrant mixture of eggs and spices, then fried to golden perfection and served with a drizzle of maple syrup and a sprinkle of powdered sugar. But it's not just the food that makes El Caribe special, it's the ambiance. The decor, with its Caribbean influences, transports you to a tropical paradise, making it the perfect escape to savor your morning meal. For those who crave variety in the morning, Wagon is the place to be. This restaurant serves up classic American breakfast dishes with a twist catering to all tastes and preferences. Whether you're in the mood for fluffy pancakes, hearty omelets, or a light and healthy fruit bowl, Wagon has you covered. The welcoming, laid-back atmosphere makes it an ideal spot for both early birds and those who prefer to ease into their day. Plus, the friendly staff is always ready to recommend their favorites, ensuring your breakfast is not just a meal, but a memorable experience. At Corral Bagels, breakfast is all about innovation and flavor. Their star dish, the crab cake Benedict, is a testament to their culinary creativity. Imagine tender, succulent crab cakes served on a freshly baked bagel, topped with perfectly poached eggs and a velvety hollandaise sauce. It's a fusion of flavors that awakens your taste buds and sets the tone for a fantastic day. The casual, inviting vibe of Corral Bagels makes it a favorite among locals and visitors alike, offering a friendly environment where everyone is welcome to savor the most important meal of the day. After indulging in a delightful breakfast, Miami beckons you to embrace its diverse array of morning activities, each offering a unique glimpse into the city's dynamic culture and natural beauty. Miami's farmers markets, like the Redlands Market or the Yellow-Green Farmers Market, are vibrant community hubs where locals and visitors alike converge to sample the freshest local produce. Imagine strolling through rows of colorful stalls, each bursting with tropical fruits, organic vegetables, artisanal cheeses, and homemade preserves. The air is filled with the enticing aromas of freshly baked goods and exotic spices, creating a sensory feast. Engage with friendly vendors, learn about their farming practices, and perhaps even discover a new favorite fruit or vegetable, all while soaking in the lively atmosphere that defines Miami's local markets. As one of the most family-friendly attractions in the city, Zoo Miami offers an array of experiences that go beyond observing animals. Opting for a family bicycle rental not only provides a unique way to navigate the expansive grounds, but also adds a fun, interactive element to your visit. Imagine pedaling alongside vibrant flamingos, majestic giraffes, and playful monkeys, all while enjoying the lush tropical setting. The bike ride offers a gentle breeze and a change of pace, allowing you to connect with nature and wildlife in an active, enjoyable way. For those seeking a blend of sport and leisure, Topgolf presents an engaging experience regardless of your golfing skills. Picture yourself in a high-tech driving range, hitting microchipped balls towards giant dartboard-like targets on an outfield, all while savoring a cool beverage and some friendly competition. It's a place where laughter and cheers fill the air, and the thrill of the game combines with a laid-back social atmosphere, making it a hit for groups, families, or even solo visitors looking to refine their swing. After an eventful morning, it's time to refuel and savor the flavors that make Miami's lunch scene so special. Each restaurant not only offers a delicious meal, but also an experience reflective of the city. The Sarussi is renowned for its fritanga bowl, a dish that encapsulates Miami's fusion cuisine. Picture a vibrant, hearty bowl filled with seasoned meats, beans, sweet plantains, and coleslaw, each bite offering a burst of flavor and a true taste of local culinary traditions. The restaurant's casual ambience, coupled with its dedication to authentic flavors, makes it a favored spot among those who seek a genuine Miami dining experience. It's not just a meal, it's a journey through the diverse culinary influences that shape the city. Carne Asada Tortilleria Nica. This restaurant is a haven for those craving Nicaraguan cuisine, with its standout dishes like fried cheese and jalapeno meat offering a flavorful escapade. The fried cheese, crispy on the outside and gooey on the inside, paired with the spiced, succulent meat, provides a harmonious blend of textures and flavors that are both comforting and exotic. Dining here is like taking a quick trip to Nicaragua, all while nestled in the heart of Miami, providing an intimate and immersive culinary adventure. Embrace the quintessential American BBQ experience with a Miami twist at APOCALYPSE BBQ. Here, the aroma of smoked meats fills the air, promising a feast of flavors. Signature dishes like slow-cooked brisket, pulled pork, and savory ribs are meticulously prepared, each bite infused with the depth of smoky goodness and complemented by homemade sauces and sides. It's more than just a meal, it's a celebration of barbecue culture, offering a communal and indulgent dining experience that's deeply rooted in tradition yet distinctly Miami. As the Miami sun continues to shine, the city unveils a plethora of activities that cater to every interest, whether you're seeking leisure, adventure, or a bit of culture. Bowling at Bird Bowl. This iconic Miami bowling alley offers a blend of nostalgia and contemporary entertainment, making it a perfect afternoon retreat. With its well-maintained lanes, lively atmosphere, and friendly competition, Bird Bowl is a hit for families, groups of friends, or anyone looking to strike up some fun. The sound of pins crashing, high fives, and laughter create an infectious energy, ensuring an enjoyable experience for bowlers of all skill levels. Experience mini golf like never before at Putri Miami, where each course is designed with creativity and flair. This isn't your typical mini golf experience, it's an immersive journey through artistically crafted landscapes, each with its own theme and challenges. Whether you're navigating through a neon jungle or a whimsical Candyland, Putri Miami offers a playful and visually captivating experience that delights both the young at heart. For those looking to unwind in style, the Empire Social Lounge provides an elegant sanctuary where you can savor the art of cigar smoking. With a selection of fine cigars and a sophisticated ambience, it's a place where you can relax, engage in thoughtful conversation, or simply enjoy a moment of solitude. The lounge's comfortable seating, refined decor, and attentive service create an atmosphere of luxury and leisure, making it an ideal spot to conclude your afternoon in Miami. By engaging in these afternoon activities, you can experience the diverse entertainment options Miami has to offer, from playful and casual to refined and relaxing. Now let's explore the fantastic array of dinner options available. Shoma Bazaar. This vibrant food hall presents a gastronomic journey, allowing you to sample a medley of cuisines all under one roof. Imagine strolling through a lively marketplace, each stall offering a different world of flavors. You could start with a plate of sushi, savor some artisanal tacos, and then indulge in a gourmet burger, all while soaking up the energetic atmosphere. It's the perfect spot for those who love variety and enjoy a bustling communal dining experience. For a taste of the Mediterranean, Meraki Greek Bistro offers an authentic and cozy dining experience. Here, traditional Greek recipes are prepared with passion and served with hospitality, transporting you to a quaint taverna by the Aegean Sea. From succulent grilled meats to fresh seafood and flavorful meze, each dish is a celebration of Greek culinary traditions, made with love and meant to be shared. Experience the rustic charm and robust flavors of Portuguese cuisine at the Old Lisbon. This restaurant prides itself on its signature dishes, which showcase the rich, hearty essence of Portugal's culinary heritage. Whether you're enjoying a plate of bacalhau, salt cod, or a tender, spice-infused steak, the Old Lisbon offers a dining experience that's both comforting and exotic. The warm, inviting ambience, complete with traditional decor, makes it an ideal spot for a leisurely dinner that feels feels like a getaway to Lisbon. As the sun sets, Miami transforms into a vibrant playground of nighttime delights, offering a variety of experiences to suit any mood or preference. Immerse yourself in the electrifying atmosphere of Copper Blues, where live music and entertainment take center stage. This dynamic venue showcases an array of musical talents, from rock bands to jazz ensembles, providing the perfect soundtrack for your Miami night. The energy is contagious, with patrons dancing, clinking glasses, and enjoying the shared experience of live performance. Whether you're a music aficionado or just looking for a lively night out, Copper Blues offers an unforgettable experience where the rhythms of Miami truly come alive. For those who crave variety, City Place is an all-encompassing destination that combines shopping, dining, and entertainment in one dynamic setting. Stroll through the bustling streets lined with trendy boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and vibrant bars, each inviting you to explore and indulge. Catch a movie at the state-of-the-art cinema, savor a gourmet meal under the stars, or simply people watch as the diverse crowd of locals and visitors alike revel in the joy of the Miami night. City Place is more than just a location. It's a celebration of community, culture, and the endless possibilities of the evening. End your night with a dose of laughter at Just the Funny, Miami's premier destination for improv and comedy. This intimate venue offers a chance to unwind and share in the universal language of laughter, featuring talented performers who bring stories and characters to life on stage. Whether it's a quick-witted improv show, a hilarious stand-up set, or a satirical sketch, Just the Funny provides a lighthearted and engaging finale to your Miami evening. It's a place where humor shines, camaraderie flourishes, and the stresses of the day dissolve into the joy of the present moment. Thanks for joining us on this local guided journey through Miami. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel insights and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.